heck?
Hi guys, I'm here with my friend. Well, he's in first grade. He came to my house. Christopher.
And I'm here
Now we're
with
gonna show you how to
my
make
friend Nick.
drop time. So now we're gonna teach you how to make
Poop.
Well, yeah, bird poop. So we're gonna need like a cup,
Shaving
cream, and any like brown
soap.
Not soap, like a brown.
Shampoo.
Like this is like, I'll show you what it is. It's like a brown. It shows up like white. I see that. So in the cup, just gonna put that in there. We're just gonna spray the shaving cream. I already did that. Then we're just gonna put. This is like so easy. Put this in here. Now we're gonna mix it.
More.
Mix it. Put a little bit more. That's good. Mix it with anything like a paintbrush. Or that's good. Mix it. More. That's good, that's enough. Mix it till it looks like
This.
bird poop, and you could prank people like that. Okay, we're done with the video.
Bye, guys.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Next